What's up, Instagram? It's the Volkswagen guy, Hadi, and we're in for another treat. Today I'm showing you guys the 2021 Atlas. The best 7-seater in the market, guys. Take a look. Jeez, sleep. '21 Atlas Execline. It comes equipped with so many features. Fender audio system. This thing really bangs. Not only that, memory seats for you, your husband, your wife, that child that always takes your car. New climate control, heated steering wheel, push to start. Look at this, guys. Take a look right here. 360 camera. I know we said it before, but oh my God, this thing is gorgeous. In the 2021 Atlas Execline, comes equipped with a beautiful digital dash. Volkswagen's really stepping up their game with this, guys. They want to keep it safe. They want to keep it efficient. You look down here, you see your navigation. Say you're accustomed to your navigation here, you could pull it up here as well. No stress, right, guys? The beautiful digital dash gives you so many options to look at different things. 2021 Atlas seems too good to be true, and I'm about to blow your mind even more. Look at the different driving modes, guys. This big body style SUV still has an eco mode to save fuel. Normal, sport. It starts snowing. Don't worry, you got your snow mode. Guys, look at this beautiful panoramic sunroof. Holy smokes. It feels like this car's too good to be true. In the 2021, you got a new facelift with the Atlas. Not only that, you got the beautiful IQ lights with the adaptive bi-xenon headlights that move with the wheel. Brighter at night. Just with a little kick, trunk opens, you got groceries, you got that new Louis bag, you just put the Holtz, don't worry. Not only that, guys, for the shorter people like myself, you could set this to your own height just by a hold of a button. That's the new height of the trunk. You got wireless charging here in the 2021 Atlas. It's beautiful. I want you to come in and drive the car. For the time being, I'm going to show you this 2021 Atlas. Even though it's a big 7-seater, is very nimble. You know how Volkswagen does. They really focus on the drive and the comfort of the vehicle. Very nimble. Steering's good. You barely feel the road in this thing. As in the Execline Atlas, you get so many nice features such as lane assist, blind spot detection, rear traffic alert, front collision warning, adaptive cruise control. Look at this, guys. This car will basically drive itself. All you really do is set your distance on the highway, set your cruise control speed, and vamos. You just let go of everything and let the beautiful 2021 Atlas do the rest. Here is the lane assist feature, guys, I want to show you. When you don't signal, the car will pull you actually back into the current lane you're in. Once again, you have to be going at least 60 kilometers an hour for the lane assist feature to kick in. So fun, so intuitive, so flippin' great! Instagram, the 2021 Atlas got you covered. If the wife kicks you out of the house, no need to worry. Throw a mattress in here and snooze away. The only thing it's really missing is a washroom.